Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm gonna be doing like a icy design. First, I'm going to apply the Abyss gel polish on my 3 tips. I'm going to apply 2 coats on each tips and I'm going to cure 30 seconds each coat. So now I'm going to draw my bauble. And flash cure for 10 seconds. I'm gonna add like a snowball. Into the corner and flash cure. And with the color Cinders Slippers, I'm gonna color the baubles. Turn back the tips or the client's finger, so that the product pull down and you will have a very nice round shape. For my next design, I'm gonna be using Submerge from the glitter collection. I will place into my palette. Et on flash cure. Et on flash cure. So now I'm going to draw the mitten, and with a detailing brush 0002 dump into the Snow White, I'm going to outline the mitten. And flash cure. Et on flash cure. Flash cure again. I'm gonna use Nighthawks to add a little more glitter in the mitten. and cure for 30 seconds. For the last design, I'm going to use Snow White and draw some geometrical line. And flash cure. I'm gonna be using Submerge, Nighthawks and Cinders Slippers, and I'm gonna fill some hole. And flash cure. Flash cure. I love this color because there is some glitter, some blue and silver glitter in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to protect my design with the Urban Graffiti top coat. And cure for 60 seconds. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used in this video are in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. And until next time, Merry Christmas and au revoir!